Done now with this column. Now, let's go to the next step, which is getting the y sub 1 minus the mean of y raised to 2. And when we're doing that, eto lang po, i-raise to 2 na lang po ulit itong mga tinuturo kong values. I-raise to 2 lang po ulit natin yan. 1.9 times 1.9, ano nakuha natin? 3.61. Again, no negative pa din po. Kasi raise lang. Raise to 2. Therefore, ito po yung mga values na nakuha natin, mga answers na nakuha natin. In another crucial part, we need to get the summation. Summation just by adding all of these values na nakuha natin from 1.9 up until 0.9. Ito po yung last. So, add all of them, therefore giving us 72.9 summation. And our last column, di ba ang dali? Nasa last column na tayo. So, if you see yung gantong kind of correlation, wag kayong ma-intimidate na sagutan kasi ganun lang siya ka-easy as by just doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You'll be able to answer and get the correlation between the two variables na meron tayo. So, ito nga po siya. X sub 1 minus the mean of x times y sub 1 minus the mean of y. So, ito po yung pinag-times ko. Ito po yung pinag-times ko. 4.9 times 1.9. Ito po yung naging answer. Negative 9.31 up until dito sa dulo. Ito. Diba? Yan yung mapag-ita-times nyo. Yung tinuturo ko po. Kita nyo po. Hanggang dito. Negative 5.9 times 0.9. Giving us these answers. Ito po yung mga answers niya. Dito, okay lang maging negative kasi times naman yan. Hindi naman tayo nag-raise. Hindi tayo nag-raise to 2. Again, another crucial part. We need to get its summation po. When we're getting its summation, again, just add. Therefore, ang nakuha kong answer is negative 186.9. Now that we're done filling up the table, we're done getting all the summations, we're done getting all the mean, we can now plug in these values sa ating formula, which is ito po yung formula natin. The Pearson product moment coefficient of x and y is equal to the summation of x sub 1 minus the mean of x times y sub 1 minus the mean of y all over the square root of the summation of x sub 1 minus the mean of x raised to 2 times the summation of y sub 1 minus the mean of y raised to 2. So, ito po muna nasa top ang ating lalagyan. Ito nasa top, which is ito siya. Ito yan. Ayan, yan. So, lagyan na po natin sa top. Negative 186.9. Negative 186.9 over may square root. Kailangan natin maglagay ng square root. Don't forget that. Summation down ni x and y. Ito siya. Ito yung for x. Ito po yung for x. 522.9. 522.9. So, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. 522.9. Dito naman, ano dito? Dito. Ito. Ito po siya. Ito siya. 72.9. 72.9. Ayan po siya, 72.9. So, now that we're done plugging in yung mga nakuha nating answer sa formula, makukuha na po natin yung sagot. Yay! Which is equal to negative 0.96 po ang ating final answer. Yay! Dinarotso ko na po siya sa aking calculator. Negative 0.96. And negative 0.96 corresponds to strong negative. Pero hindi po yun ang ating final answer because we need to translate it into a sentence. So therefore, the relationship between stress score and life satisfaction scores Tama ba? Wait lang. Life satisfaction scores. Has a strong negative correlation. Anong meaning kapag strong negative correlation ang nakuha natin? Meaning as x increases, y decreases. Or if as y decreases, or y increases, x decreases. So, hindi sila same. May isang naggaganto, isang ganto. Ganon. So, I hope you learned something po. Kasi may papasagutan ako sa inyo. Are you ready? Yan. Pause or screenshot and try to answer this. And if nakuha mo yung sagot or correlation between the two, social media hours and the math mod scores, then congrats, may natutunan ka po sa video na ito. So, sana magka-part 2, diba? Magka-part 2, magturo. Charot. So, I hope you learned something from my video and take care always. Bye!